everybody. Today I am going to give some example through English song, and don't forget to watching. Mm, and the first word is R. For example, far, arm, star, card, hard, but, fork, takes, tape, and second word is a. For example, but, cup, blood, blood, cat, come, us, mud, fun, money. And third word is a. For example, bed, dash, get, set, let's, dress, bed, head, many, met. And for word is it. For example, is need, beat, team, see, hit, machine, please, see, heavy, glorious, and b. For example, b is birds, bird, river, steer, rain, turn, third, hard, nurse, work. For example, u is few, boots, lows, gloomy, fruits, sell, blue, soul, put, do, and goose. And for example, O is top, low, bore, yow, jow, call, poor, soul, were, north. And for example, U is a fat, looks, sold, cook, book, cold, good, put, took, influence. And for example, A is hen, neck, plate, hair, black, were, big, logs, plates, we. And for example, E is hit, sitting, sit, him, kids, beats, minutes, happy, licks, is. example, A is a robe, a top, which, squat, saucy, hot, rock, goats, old, west. For example, A is a cinema, way, common, standard, board, light, sofa, leather, name, hall. And for example, A is a face, space, rain, case, egg, say, brick, may, and day. And is English son is stop. Thank you for attention. Dadah, see you again.